Good morning, good morning, good morning. MJ Monday. Happy New Year to all my people. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming and joining the Money Squad. Right? Hit that smash button. If you haven't joined, consider subscribing. I put all types of videos. Kids, babies, aunties, uncles. I put a little bit of something for everybody. As you can see, I just got these joints. They just touched down. I was so excited. I just wanted to get this review out. I was gonna do it with a comparison video, but no, I'm just gonna let this video live. I started this and took some of the Just Steal Me tape off so we can get into this thing a little bit easier. As you can see, bam, look at that. Look at that box, so lovely. So lovely. What do we have here? Air Jordan Adapt version 1.0 year 2020. Yes, I got these joints off the sneakers app. You got these, I don't know what the oven speakers, whatever that is on it. But one announcement, if you haven't checked out Who Has the Heat, yesterday we had a dope battle between the Bros, 10.5 and OG Sneak, along with the Sis 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. Go over there. If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe. We're trying to get our channel to 500, I think roughly about 255. So it don't cost you nothing. It is free. Now, let's jump into this. This is nice. Very, well, this box is heavy. Ain't on one hand as hell. You got that translucent puka right here, which is the whole size 10 Fisher colorway, white, multicolor. Suggested retail price $500. Woo! Thank goodness for the military discount. I got it for $418. $418. But you see, Adapt right there. A very, very dope shoe. So let's get it out of here. We got a little bit of ways to get it out. I don't want to keep messing it up with the box, doing all that spinning and ruining. And you can see up there, this actually has an app on the app that you can actually lace and unlace the shoe, because I have another shoe. Like I said, I was gonna compare it, so that'll be crazy, right? You have your shoes on, you balling, a guy get a hold of your phone and like, what the heck? Your shoes come loose and you end up tripping. That would be crazy, right? But look at this dope translucent type reflective paper with Adapt. Loving the presentation. And bam, look at that. I gotta get both of these out of there. Let's see what we got. We can see what we got. Then we got this right here like so. Put that over there. And then of course, over here you got all your goodies, your charging station, all of that stuff for the shoes. So nice presentation on this. If I can get it back in there, you know, got to keep everything in pristine condition. And then you got stuff like that. I'm pretty sure this piece here too is all there. Then underneath here, right, you got your charging pad, just like an iPad, right? Your Adapt, all of that other stuff. They do come with a charging pad, right? Use USB, all that. Beam me up, Scotty, right? So let's get back to it. Bam and bam. Some people didn't like it because it had white, but these joints are pretty impressive in person. Look at that. Dope. You can change the colors right here. I don't know if it's gonna power right now. Probably ain't no juice. Yep, no. There you go. You heard it. You got green, so it is got a little bit of juice. Okay. Not bad. Kind of remind me of the UNC Columbia joints, right? So we come underneath. You're looking at herringbone traction. You got that jump, man. You got that translucent bottom. If you get them dirty, clean them right away, right? Clean them right away. You be all good. You got that white patent leather on the tongue. Look at that. That's very nice. Very, very nice. Then you got your, this is an interesting lacing system here, because it's kind of like it skips the middle. It skips actually, so it's only 1, 2, 4 and the top 5. So it skips here, and this is very, very thin. I don't know about this, people. I would be very, very leery. It's a lot different than the other ones I have, the regular Nike with the big booty right on the back. But then you got your typical Jordan right here, so I guess that you can consider that third row spacing. And you got mesh up here at the tongue Coming around on the side, you can see you got your line here, more of this mesh type materials. I mean, on feet, this will probably be a trip. Let me see if they're pretty heavy. Not too bad. Actually, it's not too bad far as the weight. As you can see, you got your Jumpman in here. You got your 23 in the back of this, and then you got the stitching coming up here. You got nothing on the side, and you got your arch right here, and you got somewhat of carbon fiber plate, a little bit different, but probably this is where your mechanism and your system is in the shoe. As you can see, you got a dap right here, and look at this, everyone. Something the Jubilee was missing. The shoe tree, the Jordan 11 shoe tree that we all know and love. Look at that. That's the one we all know and love, the shoe tree, right? That type of material. So it is all good. So like I said, hope this comes out so everybody can see what the shoe looks like and all that good stuff. You got adapt inside. Let's go on the other side, of course. Hope it's not too bright. Like this. And it's a dope shoe. So on the little lit meter, on the little lit meter, I gotta give this a 5 out of 5. It is a very dope shoe. I know it ain't everybody's cup of tea, but it is a very dope shoe. So 5 out of 5. So you let me know what you think about this shoe. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, friend, I'm a friend. We're going to be dropping different videos, like I said, Jordans, New Balance, Pumas, you name it. Don't forget to also check us out on Who Has the Heat. Peace, love, chicken grease, Emoneyshoes. I'm out. Deuces.